Good afternoon, nandito ako sa Araneta City, Cubao. Bali, naghihintay ako ng mga kandidata ng Binibining Pilipinas. Dito ako naghihintay sa harap ng Aurora Tower kasi dito ang office ng Binibining Pilipinas Charities Incorporated. Waiting for the applicants.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Bianca May Hernandez, 25, and I'll be representing Pasig City. So currently I am an events planner and an event stylist.
Pinaaura-aura ko pala sila matapos ko silang pagsalitain. Let's meet our next applicant for Binibining Pilipinas 2025.
Hello everyone! Hello Pageant Fanatics! I am Jeremy Salvador Noki, 23, representing Caloocan City. Currently, I am a working student. I'm a theater actor by profession. I am also studying at the University of the Philippines, Silliman, Quezon City, taking Associate in Arts Theater.
Siyempre, paaura-aurahin din natin siya para sa ating video. And we have here our third applicant. So ayun lang at nandito na ako sa Gateway Mall para umuwi at babalik ako bukas para sa last day ng lawyer's interview.